Seconds.
Oh no. Oh no, not again, boys. Not again!
No, no, no!
Hey, Ray William Johnson. Why haven't you roasted me yet?
Because, Kevin, I've been really busy doing your mom!
So, what do you guys want to do today?
Your mom?
Guys!
So here's your problem. You're a gamer.
Open up your mind, don't open up your thighs. Skinny bitches, thick bitches, I like all kinds. Bitch, you said that you're not pulling up, I honestly don't mind. Cause I... Woo!
Right into your mind. Deja vu, I just be. And what are you doing?
Oh, look. It's a picture I took of you the first time I ever came here. Ah, look at you, so young and happy. Where do the years go?
End.
Hey everyone, I'm Joe Biden's husband.
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator.
Hey, it's an awesome day today at Wendy's. What can I get for you?
Yeah, you like Wendy's.
Yeah, I love
Wendy's nut smack you in the face.
Oh.
No, no, no! Ah!
Water. Earth. Fire. Air.
I am going to be Switzerland.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
Hey, yo, the pizza here. I'm coming for you! No, no. Medic! No.
Acá está el inodoro que habla.
Like you could. Stop. Just a quick reminder that there's a red button that says subscribe under the video. I'm giving you 5 seconds to click on it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can now continue with the video. And make sure you watch it till the end. G.
Hold our taste.
Candace, we're in a hurry. Just get on the trike and we'll go.
Shut the fuck!
I'm so pissed. What is that? What is that?
That's nothing.
Why is that on the other?
Don't touch that.
We bought 𝐶 some shoes. Go ahead, 𝐶.
Ayo, something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
B, it's M to the 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 B. Bang.
Just found a new island. I'm stating my claim. This is mine.
Are you a girl or a guy?
Of course I am. What the hell?
Okay, because you look hashtag.
Oh yeah. No. Oh fuck! What the?
Get out my crib, out my house, nigga, get out my house before I let this whole stick out. Get out this trap before I flip you and pay out. Fuck, nigga, get out. Ski mask in the store, I'ma hit that. Head down, cause I got kickback. I don't answer the phone, so forget.
My name is Jeff.
Hey, dog, get some ice cream?
Only a spoonful.
Hey, yo, the pizza here.
Shawty's like a melody in my.
Con los terroristas.
Damn.
Yo! Ah!
You will never wear a face mask again after you see what the United States government and China are putting inside of your masks. Just watch this video. Look what they are putting inside. A chip. This is how they track you. This is how they know everything about you. And this is not the only thing. They are also putting in motherboards. This way they can track you and your mother. Keep watching because things get even worse. Check this out. A dash camera. This way they'll be able to see everything that you are seeing. But it gets worse. Check this out. A Nokia phone. This way they can hear everything that you are talking about. There are no secrets here, people. Make sure you follow. Make sure you hit the star.